you people get tired of solving questions in the class only. I'll send a one revision question worksheet, okay? Because you will be having a test, right? All of you know about it. All of you know about your test, okay? So those who will be giving, and you know now, you have to select the subjects and give test. Okay?
Ma'am, Mandela maths will get a different paper and the right maths will get a different paper.
Yes, Mandela Maths will be giving their topic. They are having different topic. Okay, you will be giving paper on fraction. Okay.
So ma'am, we will be giving Muhammad Saqib, me and we will be
Fraction.
giving fractions.
Yes, you will.
Mandela.
Not Mandela. You are giving rights. Right syllabus is fraction. Mandela syllabus is decimal. Okay. So you don't now. For now, you just prepare for your fraction that we have done here. Multiplication, division is not coming over here. So don't prepare for that. Okay, Abdullah, Anas, because you already have done Muhammad, Muhammadi. Yeah. All of you have already done multiplication, division, and simplification, right? In Mandela. But here in right, we are not doing that. So in the test, just mute yourself, Juveria, please. Yeah. So in this test, everyone is there. Everyone from right, have you joined in? Aisha, Hamdan, switch on your camera.
So you are saying that in the assessment, multiplication and division of
Many
fraction
people are not there, ma'am.
No, it will not come. I'm telling you the topics which will come. Okay. So I'm waiting for everyone. All of you have joined. All of you can hear me.
Ma'am, you will put the syllabus on that.
Google Classroom.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put the syllabus also, and right now also I'm telling you so that you know what topics are there. And if you don't, what is it? Number 2 people are left. Okay, 2 people are left. Who all are left? Yaya is absent, and who all? Yeah, Rashda is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So she will watch the recording and understand. Okay, so what I was telling, the topic is fraction. What have we done in fraction? First is when the shaded portion is given in the picture, you know how to find out the fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
A part of a whole. So that you know. Then what are the types of fraction? Like fraction, unlike fraction. Okay. Then how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Then simplify means in the lowest form. Simplify,
Can you
understood?
just
Lowest form.
can you just do like just 1-2 sums of like fraction and unlike fraction?
Addition.
Oh, like fraction and unlike fraction.
What is like fraction and what is unlike fraction?
Yes.
I'll do. Let me complete the topics first. So where was I? Lowest form, then equivalent fraction, and then addition and subtraction of fraction. Is that enough? Is it clear to you? Will you be able to prepare? This will be there in the first week of November. Is it fine, Ibrahim? What are you chatting? Whom are you chatting with?
Ma'am, it's okay.
It's okay, but whom are you chatting with?
No one. I was sending a message to you, ma'am. I have a doubt on that.
Tell me what you can speak.
I have doubt on unlike fraction of the addition.
Okay. Okay. On all the topics so that you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
complete.
Send on Google Classroom.
So I'll send the syllabus and a revision worksheet for the test. Those who are giving maths test, you have to give it during the class only. During your maths class, it will be 20 marks paper. I'll be sending the paper in the Google Classroom. You will turn in at the end of the class. 40 minutes paper will be there. Okay. So 20 marks paper.
Ma'am, can you send the topics in Google Classroom so that I can?
Yes, I'll be sending you the topics in Google Classroom also, and I'll be sending you a worksheet also. Maybe by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow, I'll send it to you so that you complete it, and whatever doubts you are facing on Thursday or Friday's class, we can discuss it. Okay? Because in the next week, we'll be having the November month.
Ma'am,
So
in the unlike unlike fraction one, after we get the LCM in the addition one, so after that when we that in the arrangement one, can you explain again?
Arrangement you want?
Yeah.
Increasing, decreasing you want?
No,
Okay.
in the unlike fraction when we arrange like this.
हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है. So see, I'm doing it for the last time now, and see how we do. You have to remember the steps. For example, my question is, what question should I take? 2 upon 7 plus, let us do a minus. Okay, let it be plus 1 upon
14.
Let us suppose 28 is there. Okay, so leave it. I'll take another one.
Ma'am, do minus.
Minus. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let us take 15 and 90. So what will we do, Ibrahim? Unknown, these are unlike. These are unlike fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am. So
Abdullah,
we'll find the
unlike
LCM of the
denominators are different. Yes. How will I
Ma'am,
find?
can I do this sum?
45.
15 by 9. So we'll
90.
take the table.
So which?
First it will go from 5.
5. Then
5 3s are 15 and 5 words are 90.
tell me.
1 minute.
Divide it. If you don't get it, divide 90 by 5.
45, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
What?
No,
No,
no.
sorry.
18.
Divide na. Nobody is getting 90 by 5. What is it? 5 how many times is 90? Divide
18.
90. Yes.
18, ma'am.
Yes. Now what?
Then we will take again, we will take 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3, 1 minute. 3 3s are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 3 6 are 18. And then we will make a L. LCM
Yes.
is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6.
What is it?
It is 1 minute. I'm 15 multiplied by 6. 1 minute. I will just multiply and come.
Is it correct?
Ma'am,
but it is
It came 90. 90.
So I've written 90. Now tell me.
Yes. Now after this, what we will do, ma'am? I did not
You
understand.
tell. What will, who will tell me? Muhammadi tell me.
15. Ma'am, can I say?
Why I have found 90? Why I have found
15 6 are 90.
Yes. So I will make it 15 6. What will happen here?
1 6 are.
1 into 6.
Okay.
Here
Here
90 into 1. 90 into 1 and then 2 into 1. Then we will plus this.
it is minus, Ibrahim.
Acha.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, it is 4 by 9. 4 upon 9. 4 by 9.
Can we do it in the lowest form?
Yes, ma'am.
What number will I divide both?
4 ones are 4 and
I don't think it will go by 4. Start with 2, na?
Ma'am, 2 table 90.
2 twos are 4.
Yes. And 2 45s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 2 upon 45.
Yes.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now honestly tell me, is it clear you're still having problem in that?
No, ma'am, just tell the practice sheet.
You have to practice. You have to
Start again.
If you don't do, see, while seeing maths, you cannot learn. You have to write and do it on your own. Then only you will understand. Okay? Whatever we do. Yeah, Hamza?
Can you start again? I just joined in.
Okay. I told about the syllabus which will come in test, okay, that we are going to do till addition, subtraction of fractions, mixed fraction, improper fraction, interconversion of that, and what else we have done?
Equivalent fraction.
LCM, separate
Ma'am,
question.
the answer is
Separate question on LCM you will not get. You will just get, you will have to do LCM in addition and subtraction. That's all. You will
I
not
mean,
have
unlike
show it in the
fraction
paper, ma'am. We have to show it in the paper.
the method we need to show, ma'am.
the steps you need to show, okay? Steps,
Even the LCM, the solving the LCM.
yes, rough part.
We need to write a notebook.
Okay, yes. What you need to write, Aisha? What do you want to write? Syllabus?
I'm asking you, we need it.
You heard now? What did I say in the beginning? Paper will be conducted during the maths class only. I would be there in the class. I would give you the question paper on Google Classroom, and you have to keep your camera on, and you have to turn in at the end of 40 minutes. It will be 40 minutes paper, 10 minutes extra will be there, so that you can take picture and turn in, right? Is it clear? And whatever doubts you will be facing, I would be there. You can ask that time only. Okay, but I won't be able to give you the solution. I can just make you understand the questions. Okay, what is asked in the question. So it will be just 20 mark paper.
Ma'am, can you do equivalent fraction also? Recap of.
You want to revise anything? Tell me. You want to revise any topic now or in the next week also?
Equivalent fraction.
Equivalent fraction you want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then we will do some sums of unlike also. The LCM one.
LCM, okay, addition, no? You are talking about
Yeah.
addition, subtraction. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, leave it. I'll be giving my questions.
That PPT has how many
Do
slides?
we have to do this sums in the notebook?
That PPT, see, every class I just keep on adding the slides according to the class. Okay. So, see, you can see I have already made 88 slides here. Okay. So, from the beginning, it is total 88 slides that we have studied. Fraction, only of fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction, I'm doing revision over here. Equivalent. Then we'll do revision on lowest form also. Okay, whatever topic
Ma'am,
you want to
yesterday
revise,
you were telling reciprocal you will teach.
but you want to revise. The reciprocal is not coming in the test.
Okay.
So whatever till here, whatever.
And when is the test?
It will be in the first week of November. So after 2 to later 8, 9, between 2 to 9, you will have any one day during those
So,
days.
ma'am, it will be on Thursday or Friday.
Yes,
only.
yes, Thursday. Okay.
Ma'am,
So equivalent fraction.
ma'am. So you taught multiplication of fractions yesterday, which won't come, right?
No, it will not come. Okay, so that is why I am revising the previous topics, because still you are facing problems in the previous topic. So it should be clear. What is our purpose? That whatever we are doing, it should be clear in your mind. Okay, and you should not forget. So you have to do the questions. Suppose I have 2 by 7 equal to, it is an equivalent fraction. Okay, you have to fill it over here.
Dadi.
Okay. Okay. Anyone remembers this equivalent
Yes, ma'am.
fraction?
7 3s are 21. We will do the same. 2 3s are 6. 6 upon 21.
So here it will be. So whatever you are multiplying in the numerator, equal to sign is there. That means I multiplied 7 into 3. I got 21. So that means here also I have to multiply into 3 and I'll get 6. Okay. Now here it is 10. Okay. Here it is 10. So what have I multiplied with 2 to get 10 over here?
5.
5. So that means I will have to multiply 7 into 5 to get 35. Okay. Other way to check is make it in the lowest form. Make it in the lowest form. 5 2s are 10. 5. See, you are getting the same thing.
Yes.
Okay. Here 3 2s are 6. 3 sevens are 2 by 7. So
Ma'am,
equivalent.
I did not understand this equivalent fraction.
Equivalent fraction, telling you, I'm explaining that only. So equivalent fraction means equal fractions. So equal fraction means when you are multiplying or dividing a fraction, numerator and denominator with the same thing. For example, if I have 25 upon 3, okay, and here if I multiply this number, numerator and denominator with the same number, I'll get equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction can be, can you give me first equivalent fraction? 25, suppose I multiply with 2, what will I get? 50 into 2 upar and into 2 niche, what will I get? 6. 50 by 6, this is one equivalent fraction. When I multiply 25 into 3 and 3 into 3, what am I getting? 75 upon 9. So these all are equivalent fraction. Means you
Ma'am,
can
can
write,
you do the revision of lowest form also?
yes, let me complete equivalent fraction, then we'll do the lowest form also. So this is 50 by 6. So what can you see? These all are equivalent fraction. In this question only, I write it like this. I can write it like this, by 9 and dash. So if I write a dash and if I am saying it is equal, equal means equivalent fraction. Okay. Okay, Aisha Kazi, whenever I say it is equal, equal means equivalent fraction. Okay, so I'm writing an equal sign. So that means these two are equivalent fraction. So what have I multiplied 3 to get 9? What have I multiplied 3 to get 9?
3 threes are 9.
3 threes are 9. So that means here also I have to multiply this numerator with 3 to get the answer. So 25 threes are is 75. So this way you can get, or this way you can get. Write down the equivalent. If I say write down 2 equivalent fraction of 7 by 5. Okay. 2 equal fraction of 7 by 5. What will you do? You will multiply 7 and 5 by 2. Then you will multiply 7 and 5 by 3. You will get 2 fractions. Suppose I multiply both by 2. How much is it? This is your first equivalent fraction. Second one, 7
I did
by...
not understand with one fraction. Like up here, like 25 upon 3, that question you had 2 fractions. That I understood, but not with one fraction.
One fraction means this one. This one you
Yes,
have...
like 7 upon 5. Yes,
So
that
when I say write down equivalent fraction for 7 by 5. So multiply the numerator and denominator by same number, you will get equivalent fraction. Is it clear, Aisha Kazi? For example, I am multiplying 7 by 5 with 2. I'll get one equivalent fraction. When I multiply 7 by 5 with 3, I will get another equivalent fraction. When I multiply 7 by 5 with 4, I'll get another equivalent fraction. So, but only thing is you have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Then you will get the equivalent fraction. You can divide also. Okay. Basically, we do multiplication. Mainly, you will get this type of question. What number you are multiplying? For example, if I give you one more question, suppose my question is 25 upon okay.
in the exam also you will give the boxes, right?
Yes.
At the dash one and the
Yes.
up there'll be a number.
Yes. Box or dash you can be given. Okay. Now tell me. 5 I have got here, it is 25. How will I make 25 into 5? By dividing something.
Dividing.
5 fives are 25.
So that means it is ulta. So 5
Five
fives is
fives.
25. So what 5s is 10?
5 into 2 is
2.
So you will write it here 2. So basically here what is there? Here we are dividing. Either you can divide here what you have done. Here you have divided 25 by 5 and divided 10 by 5. So either you can multiply or divide. Both the things can be formed, can be done to make equivalent fraction. Either you can divide by the
Ma'am,
same number or
ma'am,
you can multiply
first-
by the same number.
Ma'am, mostly we will get like this question, or in the first when you explained, like there were like the answer was over here.
Like find out 3 questions, find out 3 equivalent fractions.
3 boxes like
No,
over
no,
here.
this one only you will get. That was to make more questions. I made 3 equal to one more I gave na. So
Yeah.
you will get 2 only, 2 wala hi. That
Okay.
too I was just giving you for practice. Ki one more you can find out. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear? Equivalent fraction is clear to you? Should we revise lowest form now? Okay.
Ma'am, after lowest form, unlike fraction.
Say addition and subtraction of unlike fraction.
Ma'am, do we have to do this lowest form in everything whenever we get the answer?
No, in equivalent fraction, you don't need to do lowest form. Okay.
And
In
ma'am,
equivalent fraction,
if there is no lowest form, so we need to do the mixed fraction, right?
then you have to see in addition and subtraction answer, Juveria. If you can do lowest form, you have to do the lowest form and then mixed fraction. Okay, fine. In addition and subtraction question. Rest we have not done anything. Okay, now what I was doing, lowest form. Lowest form may said something.
Ma'am, can you write in the paper that where to do lowest form?
Okay,
and everything?
Rashda is teaching reciprocal. Okay, yeah, Rashda, you are correct. But I'm not taking reciprocal.
And she copied it from the internet.
Acha, is it? Okay.
She was also first.
Yeah, so what? Everybody wanted the answer, so I gave it.
Okay. Good, good. Okay, reciprocal is nothing. Any number ka reciprocal, you have to do the reverse. That's all. Like 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. That's all. Okay. So this we'll do in revision. Don't need to know right now. We'll do it in revision. We'll do it in division. Sorry, not revision. We are doing revision right now. Lowest form. Okay. Those who have understood, just pay. Those who have not understood, pay attention. And those who have understood, I'll ask question. Okay.
Ma'am, give me a sum.
25 by 15. Let me ask Aisha Aga. Tell me 25 by 15. How will I reduce it into lowest form? Omar, you are there in the class? I cannot see you. Only your fan is visible. Yeah. 20, yeah, now I can see, but still tilt the screen a little more so that I can see your face. Yeah. Yes, now it is fine. So 25 by 15. Can you do, Umar, can you do it in the lowest form? It's not audible. You are muted?
5 5 is 25.
Yes.
And 5 is
Okay. Can you do it further? Can you reduce it further, Umar? Yes or no? No, yes. So this is your answer. Okay, Juveria, give me this in mixed fraction.
Ma'am, we need to divide, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
5 by 3, we need to divide for the
Yes,
mixed
you have to
fraction.
divide 5 by 3. Divide it. What is the whole?
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
Whenever in fraction we get an improper, when we find the answer, we get an improper fraction. So we have to do it in the mixed
Yes,
fraction.
do it in the mixed fraction. Okay. See, Juveria, if you have forgotten mixed to improper, that also will revise. Do you want to revise that? Mixed to improper?
Ma'am, I remember, but if I remember, so I'll become even or better.
So you have to divide it by 3, and 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 2. So this remainder comes in the numerator. 1 is the whole number, and 3 will come in the denominator. Okay. One more question.
Ma'am, why did you wrote? Ma'am, why did you wrote 1 over here? We write 1 over here.
Anywhere you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
This way also
Ma'am.
you can do. This way also you can. Yes.
Ma'am, mixed to improper is not division, it's multiplication. Like
Right.
3,
Mixed to
like
improper
numerator into whole number plus
No.
plus numerator.
Denominator into whole number, not numerator. Okay. Denominator into whole number plus numerator. Yes. Same answer you will get now. 5 by 3. You'll get the same answer. Okay, I'm giving you some lowest form question from the slide only. Who is chatting? Why so much of chatting is going on? You don't want to revise? Who is the host? Abdullah, you are the host?
Ma'am, the
Everybody's
Muhammad debate is going.
You are the host. You can make me the host so that I can disable chat. Yeah. Because it is disturbing. You disturb each other and then you say, I'm not understood. Where is chat? Okay, now everyone speak, huh? I have disabled it. Let me see where I have written this thing, lowest form questions.
Ma'am, you need to search so much in 88 slides.
I'll get it. Equivalent के पहले किया था, right? We did lowest form before equivalent.
Yes, ma'am. We did lowest form in the
This
in the
is
mixed
lowest
fraction.
form question. Okay. I think this is
Ma'am,
also
what is simplify?
simplify means lowest form only.
Acha.
Okay, this you can see the screen now.
Yes.
Okay, 5 by 15. Now who will try this? Anas, 5 by 15. What is the lowest form?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Anas, quick, please. We are doing revision. Anas,
Ma'am, may I answer?
Muhammadi, 5 by 15. What is the lowest form? Rashda, what
Ma'am,
is
can
the
I
lowest
answer?
form? 5 by 15.
1 by
Ma'am, can
3.
I answer?
1 by 3.
How much, Rashda?
1 by
1
3.
by 3.
1 by 3 because 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Okay, 7 by 14. Omar, what is the lowest form? Not audible. Omar, you are not audible.
1/2. Ma'am, 1/2.
Yeah, 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So 1 by 2. Juveria, 18 by 27. Which number you will start with?
2.
Just a small review.
2, 27. 27 cannot go by 2.
3.
Uh-huh.
9. 9 2 is
Remember?
9 से भी
6
जाएगा.
by 9.
9, ma'am. 9. 2
6
by
by 9.
6 by 9.
2 by 3.
3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. 2 by 3.
Sorry, 3 2.
The first peak of number
3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are
4
9.
9.
2 by 3, na? Answer is 2 by 3. 18
Next,
by 9.
2 by 9. 2 by 9.
2 by 10.
3s are
2 by
18.
2 by
Oh,
10.
sorry.
So
1 by 5.
2 by 10.
Yeah,
1 by 5.
1 by
2
5.
by
Rashda is
10.
correct. 18
Then 1 by
5
5.
is 90. Aisha Kazi, 9 by 18.
1 2
1 by 2.
9 1s are 9.
Yeah, and
6 2 9 2 are 9.
1 2
9 twos are is 18. Okay. Abdullah Patel,
Can you
20 by
give me a
40.
chance?
Ma'am,
1 by 2.
10.
1 by 2.
Ma'am, 20. 21 are
2 by 4.
22 are 21 are ma'am. 21 are
1 by 2.
Yes, 1
by
by
two.
2. Who is saying?
Ma'am, I did not understand lowest form.
Lowest form you have not understood. Common
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
right. See, Aisha Kazi, 3 and 9. Both the numbers you have to see in which table both the numbers are coming. Okay. Like 3 and 9 both comes in 3's table, right?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. So,
Yeah,
3
3
1s
ones
are
are 3 I'll cut like this.
3
And
3s are 9.
3
So, 1
9
3s
I'll do
are.
like this. So no more now, no more common factor is there. So 1 by 3. Now tell me, 20
Ma'am, can I answer?
which table both the things come?
Ma'am,
You should try with 2 and 3.
7
like-
upon 10. 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10.
Wait. Aisha Kazi,
Ma'am, can you
tell
give
me
me
21 and 30, which numbers table it will come 21 and 30 both?
3 sevens are 21
Yes,
and 3 tens are 30.
correct. Who is giving me answer? It is not Aisha Ghazi. Who is giving me answer? This is 7.
Ma'am, it is Aisha Ghazi only.
Aisha Ghazi only. Okay.
Yeah. 3/4.
Okay.
Can you give me a chance?
2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now it is clear to everyone. 12 by 8.
Yeah,
Ma'am, 2 6s are 12
Correct.
and 2 9s are.
But 6 and 9.
18.
Once more it will go, right? 6 and
Yes.
which table it comes?
6
Three.
6 3s are no 6 2s are no 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9.
So answer is 2 by 3. Is it clear? Now, Javeria, is it clear? Lowest form is clear
Yes.
to you all?
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
all classes.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me what topic do you want to revise now? Next. Equivalent ho gaya. Lowest form done.
Fraction addition.
Addition of.
I know it. It's
Okay. Rashda is bored up with addition. Huh? Okay. You should practice. More and more you practice, you should get full marks then. Okay. Fine, Rashda. Okay. So,
You didn't give me a chance only in lowest form. I was raising my hand.
lowest form nahi, abhi we'll do addition now. Okay. I'm giving you addition questions now.
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
Then you just now you said na ki addition karna hai.
I want to do. I have a doubt.
How many of you want to revise addition and subtraction? Ibrahim and
And the normal addition and subtraction on
Let's
a
ma'am do it.
fraction.
Okay, on that note.
normal fraction, yes. Addition of unlike fraction that we were doing. Okay. We are not going to do like fraction because that is that everybody can do. Okay. So some questions I'll give you. Let us see.
Ma'am, in addition, subtraction and multiplication and division, the denominator is same, only the numerator is different, na ma'am?
Where?
In addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
It can be anything. Denominators can be same, cannot be same. It can be anything.
Ma'am, if numerator all are same and denominator is different, then it's also like fraction, na?
No, that is not like fraction. Like fraction is only when we are talking about your when the denominators are different, then only it is unlike fraction. Okay. Where is it? This we have done. Okay, I'm doing this one. This we have not done. So we will be doing this question so that you understand also. Now 10, 2 and 8. You know what you have to do?
LCM.
Yeah. So I will do first question, rest of the question you will have to do. Okay. So first question I am doing, understand how I am doing, and then you do the next questions. Okay.
Do we have to do it in our notebooks?
Yes, do it in your notebook. And those who know already, please continue doing it and complete all the questions. Those who have not understood can see what I am doing it over here on the board. Okay. So LCM of I'm doing it over here. LCM I'm finding out 10, 2, 8. So which number I'll start with? First of all, 2. Because divides 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, further, I don't think I can have any more numbers. So LCM will be equal
40.
to.
Now, which number are you finding?
I'm doing this question, this one. Can you see this question? 3 are there. So you have to take 3 fractions. I'm doing 3 fractions. So what is it? 5 2s are 10 into 4 is 40. So what is my LCM? It is 40. So what happens over here? What will be your answer in when I write 10 into how many times I will do to make it 40? Tell me. 10 into 4, right? So 5 into also 4. plus 1 into what I will do? 2 into how many times is 40? 2 into 20.
2 into
Right? 2 into 20 makes it 40. Plus. Now tell me, 8 into how many times is 40? 5. Okay. So after this, you will write 5 fours are 20. 20 upon 40 plus 20 upon 40 plus 15 upon 40. What is the answer you are getting?
Ma'am,
20 plus 55. Answer is 55 upon 40.
Ma'am, when we got the LCM as 40, so why did we multiply 10 by 4?
Because I have to make 10 into 40.
Yeah, sorry.
You always forget this step, Ibrahim. Now what will I do? Abdullah, can you tell me 55 by 40? Should I do something else over here?
Yes, ma'am. You can do lowest form, ma'am.
Yeah, so do it in the lowest form. 5 11s are and
5 8s are.
okay. Now what will I do?
8 ones are, ma'am. 1 is the quotient and
3 is the numerator.
3
8
is the-
ones are 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So this is your answer. I have done it over here. Question 1, answer is 1 3 by 8. Okay. Got 55 by 40. Reduce it into lowest form, 11 by 8. And then convert it into mixed fraction. So that's all you have to do. Question 1 I have done. Now I will wait for question 2. Those who have completed, give me the answer for question 2. Everyone, I want one answer. It can be wrong also, no problem. But I want you to try. Okay? So
And
question
in
1.
the first one, when you found the LCM, then
Yes.
you can go more further, no?
You can go. I have not gone. You will get the
Ma'am,
same
I
number.
did 2 and then 2 and then 5 and then 2.
You will get the same number when you multiply all, Aisha Aga. Okay?
But
Ma'am,
we can do in short to save the time.
So I saved time. I didn't go further because I cannot
Ma'am,
have common
Ma'am,
factor.
the answer is 20 by 40 plus 20 by 40 plus 15 by 40.
So what is it? Total karo. Find out the total.
and 20 into 2 is 40.
Yeah. Yes. 20 into 2 is 40 now. Okay, question 2. Anyone is trying?
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
And 55
Ma'am,
by
1 is the whole
5 by
number.
40.
Ma'am, 1 is the whole number. In the denominator is 12 and the numerator is
Ma'am,
Numerator is what?
55 by 50.
1.
Ma'am, 50
Okay.
by 55 by 40 is the answer.
But you have to do it in the lowest form, Ibrahim. I have done it over here. You can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will say
Then-
again. 1 is the whole number.
I have written over here. This is Abdullah's answer. I want everyone's answer. This is Abdullah's answer. I am writing it over here. This is Abdullah's answer. Everyone's answer I want, and then I will tally. Okay? So please do. You have 10 minutes. So complete this question. 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 2 by 12. Abdullah, you continue with the third question. Who is the second one to solve it? Please, everyone give me the answer. I want to see who is the second one to solve this question.
Ma'am, the mixed fraction of 11 by 8 is 1 3 by 8.
It is done over here. Ibrahim, do this question now. This one.
Okay, ma'am.
I want answer for this question. 2 by 3, 4 by 6, and 2 by 12.
Have to do full method
Yeah, full method. I want answer. Whatever method you do, I want the answer.
of the LCM or the full.
Else, everything. I want the last answer, last one. Okay? Don't give me LCM. Give me the last answer. Anyone else has solved? Mohammad, Mohammadi, Rashda, Hamza?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, I'm doing
my
it.
answer is 27 by 24.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Wait, one by one. Yes, what did you get, Rashda? 27 by?
27 by 24.
You reduce it into lowest form, Rashda. 3 se it will go. 27 and 24 both comes in 3's table. Reduce and give me the answer.
Ma'am, when we get the answer, we have to put it in the lowest form if possible.
Yes, yes. Put it in the
9
lowest.
by 8.
How much you got, Rashta?
9 by 8.
Okay, 9 by 8. What is in the mixed fraction?
I don't know really. I don't know how to convert into mixed fraction.
So you should ask. No, I was asking also.
Divide
8
it.
ones are 8. You have to divide, and remainder comes in the top in the numerator. So one by 8. That is your mixed fraction. Okay. So this is Rashda's answer, Abdullah's answer. Both answers are different. Give me answer, please. I'll be doing it in my notebook and see whose answer is correct. Anyone else? Anas? Anyone else? Muhammad Muhammadi? Juveria? Solved?
Ma'am, LCM is 12. The LCM is 12.
I don't want
Ma'am.
anything, Ibrahim. Give me the
Ma'am,
down.
the answer is 8.
Can I answer?
Yes, tell me.
Answer is 8, 4. No, ma'am. 8, 3, 4.
8, 3 by 4.
No. 4, 3 by 8.
Okay.
3, 4 by 8.
3, 4 by... Confirm me. Huh? This is Anna's answer.
Ma'am, the in the LCM after that when we do so 12, we need to get 12. The 12.
Ma'am, for the answer we have to find it. Ma'am, for the first answer we have to find it lowest.
I cannot hear anything. Speak one by one.
First.
Okay, tell Ibrahim.
Ma'am, after the LCM when we got 12, then in the third one like 2 by 12. So
Ma'am,
the denominator is 12. So what we will do?
12 into 1. So 2 into 1.
2 into 1 or 12 into 1?
12 into 1. So 2 also into 1 only. Na? Numerator क्यों भूल रहे हो? You have to do numerator also.
ma'am, I did my this one answer also. 6
Ma'am,
upon
1
12,
12
3 upon 8 and 1 upon 4
Wait.
one answer also. The answer is 17.
Next question. Do the next question.
Ma'am,
Do
the
the
answer
next
is
question, Abdullah. I'll ask you.
no, ma'am, but the answer, should I tell the answer?
No, don't tell the answer now. Let me check second question's answer first. Then I'll come to third question. You continue doing the rest of the question.
Ma'am, which one was the second question?
This one. 2 by 3, 4 by 6, and 2 by 12.
Oh, I did the one under the first
Okay,
question.
you got this question. You do this
Yeah.
one. You do this
Okay.
one. I think Abdullah, second question also you check again because I think you have got wrong answer. Second question. And third question,
My
what did you
answer
get, Abdullah? Because Rashda has given the answer, so I'll
1
say.
1 upon 2.
my-
Ma'am, 1 upon 2.
Ma'am, the final answer,
1 1
the
upon
final
2.
answer is
1 1
22
upon
by
2.
12.
Ma'am, 18 upon 12 is the up one, the first one.
Ma'am,
18 upon
Yes, Juveria
Ma'am,
is
this is
giving the
Amtan. Can you
correct
please listen
answer.
to my answer?
Only I got correct answer from Juveria. 18 by 12 is correct answer for question number 2. Juveria, reduce it into
Ma'am,
lowest form. Very good, Juveria.
Lowest form is 1 and 1 upon 12. No?
Ma'am, I also
No.
did it.
Ma'am,
Lowest form is 3
ma'am,
by
it is
2.
1
ma'am,
upon
it is
2.
I
22
did
by
it.
12.
18 by 12. I'm doing
No, wrong answer. Okay.
Ma'am, but you have to do it mixed fraction, no, ma'am.
18 by 12.
No, wrong answer.
Ma'am, you show everyone has a doubt in second one.
Yeah, so I'm doing the second question now. Give me the
18
question.
by
Ma'am,
12.
it's 1 upon 2.
Yes, 1 upon 2. This is
One
the
upon
mixed
two.
fraction. Correct answer. Who is giving me
By
this
the
mixed
lowest
fraction?
form.
Who is giving?
By the
It's 1 upon 2, ma'am. It's me.
1 upon
2.
1 upon 2, ma'am. 12.
Correct. Omar Hamdan giving me correct answer. Very good. See, I'm doing it over here now. Okay, let me share it on white screen. Everyone, those who are having, those who are doing mistake, just check what mistake you are doing. Okay.
Ma'am, the lowest form of 22 by 12 is 11 by 6. The final answer of the second
Wait,
one.
wait, Ibrahim. Now just be quiet and see what mistake you are doing. Okay, just tell me the question. What was the question?
Ma'am, in the test, can you write in which question we have to do lowest form?
All questions, Juveria. All questions.
questions.
Yeah, you have to do the lowest form. It is understood. You have to do the lowest form. Okay?
Ma'am, the second question of
Ma'am,
second question we have
Quiet.
to.
Everyone
Ma'am.
be quiet. Juveria, solve the next question.
Ma'am, in the exam when you will give the questions, so we have to do it like convert it into mixed
Yes.
fraction or like improper fraction.
Convert it into mixed form. Okay?
Ma'am, Ma'am, I
Okay.
did a mistake. I did it same like 3/2, but then I told 1/12. I told
Yes, 1 by 2 is the answer. That's why I told to check it carefully. So LCM I'm finding out over here. 3 2s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12.
Ma'am, in the second one, we have to find the answer from
Two.
small to big or
LCM is equal to 3 into 2. Those who have not done, please see here, huh? Please see. So 12 is the LCM. So 2, 3 into 4 is 12. 2 into 4 you have to do. Please remove this. Huh? Who is doing this annotation?
2 into 4 is 8. Plus.
Okay. So 6 into. Every time I forget to disable this and then.
6 into 2.
Wait. Let me do this annotation part ko clear karne do. Those who are doing the annotation.
Ma'am, I want to solve this question.
Who is saying this?
Ma'am,
I'm done.
Hamdan, you got the answer. Na? I am solving it for other people, those who have not got the answer.
Ma'am, I understood the answer too.
Ma'am, should I tell the answer of the third one, ma'am?
Wait. Let me complete this.
I want to solve the third question.
Okay, wait. Coming to the slide again, then you will do.
Can you give me the question? I'll solve it. Then
Okay, wait. Let me complete
in the
this.
notebook.
Ma'am,
Right. Everyone be quiet. Be quiet. Do you want the solution or not? Three by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. So this is the answer that I was asking you for question number 2. Okay.
Ma'am, I was telling that I instead of you got 4 by 2, I got 4 by 3 in the middle, like over here 4 by 6.
See, solution is over here. This is the correct answer. So whatever mistake
Ma'am,
you have done, everyone check.
Lowest form is 9/6.
9/6 nahi. 3 by 2 last thing. 18 by 12. So you will divide it by 3, right? 18 and 12 both comes in 3's table. So 3 6s and 3 4s. Okay. Then 6 and 4 comes into 6 table. Sorry, two tables. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So final answer is 3 by 2. Mixed fraction may 1 by 2. Okay. Even if you you can leave it till here also.
It is 12 by 50.
Okay, now coming to the next question. Time is over, so please.
17/24.
Yeah, do you want to practice at home? Do you want this? Should I send you this worksheet?
No, ma'am.
And one worksheet I have.
Yes, ma'am. Please
Do
send
you
it on
want
the
a
right group.
revision worksheet?
You give us new
Aisha Kazi, since you are not doing, that is why you are not understanding. See, if you don't want to practice,
Ma'am, I
you
understood.
will not be able to solve it also.
Ma'am, give me.
Ma'am, can you show the
For those who want to solve it as a practice, I'll send you one worksheet, revision worksheet with all the questions: equivalent form, equivalent, simplest form, mixed fraction, improper, addition, subtraction. Okay. Next week, see, go through it. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss it in Thursday and Friday's class. Okay. Bye.